All right, so for this we are going to do the lab for Bitlocker. Entire screen. Okay, my virtual machine. Yeah, now it's running. So good. You can also watch it when you are doing your project. It will be helpful. Okay, now I connect my virtual machine. السلام. أهلا. Okay, so open your virtual machine. The first thing is we are on page 90. We will add the feature, okay? We will add the feature of encryption. No, we will not increase the size. No need. Don't increase the size. That's why I'm telling you follow my steps, please. Okay? Open your virtual machine. Okay, go to Tools. Oops, wait. It's already showing here on top. Add roles and features. Add roles and features. And then choose all default here. Don't change anything. Encryption. I think it will show on the next page, right? Can you see it here? No. Bitlocker drive encryption. All right? Bitlocker drive encryption. Okay, and then add feature. Next. Restart if needed. Yes. Install. All right. So we are done with the first steps. We started working on the lab, okay? It takes time. It takes time to add the rule. عندكم خلص؟ نفس الشيء. It takes time. Huh? The next step is we are going to create a new volume of 3000 megabyte. This volume, we will format it and then we will encrypt it. Okay, that's the difference. It restarted, right? Yeah, that's why it's taking time. Don't click anything when it's rebooting. Don't click anything. Because if you click anything, it will start installing. It's taking some time. So. Take. اقسم لك درجة اعطيني اسمه. لا ما في. محمد صالح خلصت ولا بعد؟ خلصت. It's taking time. And now applying the computer settings, because encryption, it has to load. I told you encryption will depend also on the hardware. Is it also uploading on your computer? Still loading? Finished? I don't know why my machine is taking longer. Okay. Okay, now go to Tools, Disk Management. Oh my God. Still? No, it's done. Yeah. Yeah, it's done. Succeeded. All right, good. Now go to Tools, Computer Management. It will be here in G block. I think it will be in G102 or 3. The one that is empty, because we need bigger classroom. Like last time. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Click on Disk Management. Please follow carefully these steps. Okay. Now here, do you see here what we have? Let me explain to you what we have here. We have C, and we have we have the system reserve. We come to the C volume, we shrink it. Go to Tools, Computer Management, and then choose Disk Management. Okay? Are you okay now? All right. Now come to the C folder volume. Why is this? Salam. Shrink volume. Sultan, please start the lab. We have already started. And here you enter the amount of space to shrink is 3,000. Okay? And shrink. Now we have this space, which is almost 3 giga, because 3,000 mega is equal to 3 giga. Right click on it. New symbol volume. Next. All right. Which letter did they ask us to give? E? Yeah, E. So leave it as default. All right. Now click on, don't change anything here. Format this volume. Quick format, yes, please make sure you are following, because don't format the other folder, okay? Don't format the, only format E, okay? Next. Volume label, the same label, okay? Next. Finish. So now I have a new volume, which is volume E. All right. Now if I go to my file, Windows Explorer, on my virtual machine, on this particular virtual machine, why it's not moving here? Yeah. Can you see the File Explorer on your machine? Control small, maybe make it smaller a little bit. You can see it? Did you find it on your computer? This is my computer. You see the partitions? Where is the new volume that we have created? E. Now I go to volume E. Yes, we formatted it, remember? I think you are late, maybe one step behind us. La la. Don't go now to the, just follow my steps, please. Look here, right click, turn on BitLocker. If you turn on BitLocker, it will start working. But before you do that, let's open volume E. Let's put a file here. Let's put a new, let's say text document. Let's name it testing. Halas, leave it here. Okay, now go to this PC, volume E, enable BitLocker, turn on BitLocker. It will ask you for a password. Use a password, yes, and give it a password. Which password did they ask us to use? Let's use the one password we use every time. PA $$ W0RD. PA $$ W0RD. Okay, next. You can save it to USB flash, but because we are only in the lab, we will save it to a file. But in real life, you save it to a flash. That's it. You need to save it to a folder. So, okay. So let's save it here. Documents. Let's save. Done. Next. You have two options. Do you want to encrypt the disk space or the entire drive? You can choose anyone. Okay. And start encrypting. Done. So now my folder here is encrypted. Okay. So this is it for this lab. We close this. Now we talk about yes.